For this activity, we are going to change the ending sound to make a new word. Then we are going to illustrate a picture to go with it. We're going to try with these pictures here. For example, we've got a picture of a man and we've got a picture of a bug. In the word man, the beginning sound is M, and the middle sound is A, and the ending sound is N. But we're going to take away the N and we're going to add the letter D. M says M, A says A, D says D. Our new word is mad. Now we're going to come down here to the bug. In the word bug, the beginning sound is a B, and the middle sound is U. The ending sound is a G, but we're going to take away the G and we're going to put a letter S. Now, let's read our new word. B says B, U says S says S. Our new word is bus. Now, you are going to do this activity on your own. You're going to change the ending sound in a word and then illustrate a picture of your new word.